guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find Pride filter on Instagram. So to get this effect, go to the effect gallery, slide right until you find browse effect, tap there, go to the effect gallery, and once you reach to effect gallery you will see this Pride 2020 view effects. Tap on view effects and there you go. Here you can find all the Pride effects. To find more effects, you can tap on the search button and you can search for Pride. And likewise also you can find Pride filter on Instagram. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.